Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial, and this one is a lot different from the last one that I uploaded because you guys can already tell it's a bright bold lip, and I love this. It's super easy, it's fun. You can wear it out at the daytime or nighttime, and yeah, it's super easy to achieve. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and skip through all my face stuff because you guys already know it's very simple. I do the same thing almost all the time, and my products I've listed for you guys in my other makeup tutorial videos. So if you guys want to see a list of products and stuff, I can link it down below, but I'm just gonna cruise through it so the video is kind of cut short right down to what the main thing about this makeup look is, and that is on the lips. I will go over what I use on my eyes. I'm going to be using my Too Faced palette. I don't know what happened with my voice there, but I'm going over with my Too Faced chocolate bar palette, and I'm going in with the light taupey brown tone. I'm using a fluffy brush, blending this color all over my lid and above my crease area. Then I'm going to go in with a chocolatey reddish brown tone, and I'm focusing this on my lid. I'm using a really small fluffy brush so I can get it close to my lash line and just focus it on my lid and a little bit above my crease. I'm also bringing this color down on my waterline just so I can smoke it out a bit and make it look a little sultry. I'm going to be using that same small fluffy brush, and then on my lid I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette. This is I forgot which one this is. I'm just using one of the pink shimmery tones and gliding it on my lid and a little bit above my crease. I'm using my fingers. I feel like using your fingers is the best way to get the most out of the product because it's nice and shimmery and very reflective. Whenever I use a brush, I feel like it just picks up way too much and then I get a ton of fallout. So I always use my fingers when I use any type of metallic shimmery eyeshadow. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's super pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. Ta-da! Super pretty. And then I'm going back in and concentrating that reddish brown on my outer crease area just to kind of intensify it and give it a little bit of dimension. And then I buff it out with a fluffy brush to kind of diffuse the color so it's not so harsh. And then I tight line my waterline with a black kohl pencil just to add a little bit more definition to my eyes. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the Demi Wispies from Namies. These are the dupes from Ardell. I just love how fluttery and long, wispy, and romantic they look. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm just going over my eyeliner with my eyeliner. I'm just going over it again just because when I apply my falsies, I just have like a little bit of white or residue and I just like it to all look black. But yeah, moving on to the lips, I tried a bright orangish red lip and I kind of liked it in the beginning, but let me know what you guys think. I feel like this definitely is perfect for a daytime look. It's very, I don't know, it's bright, it's in your face. I really like it, but for some reason I wasn't feeling it. I don't know what it was. So I was just kind of looking at myself, seeing if I can feel this color, but I don't know, it just wasn't doing it for me. I even like buffed off the powder and bronzed up a little bit, but I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. Comment below if you guys liked this lip or if you guys like the plum color. I was trying so hard to convince myself that I liked this shade, so I even applied blush, and I don't know guys, but I decided to just go ahead and wipe it off. I don't know what it was, but I just wasn't feeling it. Maybe I just felt like it was too bright. I don't know, but I just wiped it off and I decided to do this plum lip. If you guys want to see how I got it, I'm just going to zip it because my video will show you exactly what you need to do to achieve a flawless, crisp plum lip. Actually, I think I'm just going to talk over this so you guys can kind of know why I'm doing what I'm doing. So I'm using a dark purple lip liner before I use any lipstick or anything of that sort because it helps your lipstick stay longer. And not only that, but when I'm outlining my lips, I go over it a few times so it's nice and dark. This kind of acts as your new lip line, especially if you want to overdraw your lips. So after I get the desired lip shape and size that I want, I go ahead and outline it with a foundation or a concealer depending on how much I need to wipe off. So right here I'm just using a foundation because I don't need to wipe off or clean up a lot. Usually if I'm using a super dark shade and if I go too overboard with my lip shape, like make it too big, then I use something more of a concealer because it's a lot thicker and I can wipe off and get rid of the intense color. So you always want to use a lip liner first. Now I'm going in with a lipstick from Bobbi Brown. This is one of their long-lasting matte lipsticks. This is like considered their liquid lipstick, but it's more of a cream and it's in a tube. You just squeeze it out. I do have a review on all their shades, so if you guys want to see that, I can link that down below. But I actually loved how beautiful this color turned out. It looked very bright and it's like the perfect tone of plum that I wanted. So yeah, love it. I felt like it was too bright, so I went in with a purpled tone Smashbox lipstick and I just went over the outer parts of my lips to kind of give it a little bit more of that dimension and 3D effect, because I don't know, I just felt like that was very beautiful and that would go really good with this look for some reason. And I don't know, I actually prefer this over the reddish orange. The reddish orange didn't look bad or anything, but for some reason I just like this and I'm going towards this more than the reddish orange. Let me know down below what you guys think, which is your favorite, or if you guys like them both. I would love to know. I'm just cleaning up the outer parts of my lip again because when I applied the lipstick I just felt like it got a little sloppy, so I just cleaned it up. And after that I just applied a little bit more blush because I'm using such a dark lip tone. I kind of wanted to balance it out and rosy up my cheeks a bit so it looks a lot more balanced. And that basically wraps up today's makeup tutorial. Thumbs up if you guys liked it and want more tutorials like these, kind of talking through and explaining what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below which look was your favorite, which lip combo was your favorite. I love you guys so much. Happy V-Day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.